Here you can see we have a couple of flaws in the glitter epoxy floor. A bug and a little piece of fix-all that got embedded. So my task today is I'm going to take the Dremel tool and I'm going to carve out a design over it and then pour epoxy in to hide our mistakes there. Okay, so first I'm going to draw on I decided to do a paw print. I'm going to draw the paw print on. I actually did a stamp of one of the dog's prints earlier and copied it. Alright, and to start, I'm going to change the bit on my Dremel tool. Make a kind of a make it a finer point tool for now. Wear my safety goggles and get going. Now that I have the outline done, I'll come in with a bigger bit and take out the center. Alright, so I've made my glitter resin mix. I used Storybook Brown and Desert Sand. And I'm going to slowly start filling the spots. I think I'll start with the spot further away from me so I don't budge it. Just kind of work it in a little bit.